Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you and showing you how you can use ChatGPT for your content creation. Now, whether you're a writer or a designer or a business owner and you want to create content and you don't know the kind of content you should create, watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to enhance your business. Okay, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, I want to say I am very excited to have you. My name is Awajima, and I teach you how to do stuffs online, things that you can do that can help you fast track your growth, that can help you generate money in your business. Okay, so if this is also your second time of coming, your third time of coming, your fifth time of coming, I am so glad to have you once again. Okay, so before we go into today's video, I want you to do me a favor. Just click the like button and then click the subscribe button. And when you do that, don't forget to click the notification bell, because when you do so, it means that you support what we are doing and then you're part of our growth. All right. Now, to do that, you just go to your Chrome browser, and then you're going to type chat GPT. Okay, chat GPT, and then you click on it. It will load, and once it loads, okay, you come to this one that says open AI. Okay, open AI, you click on it and then you wait for it to load. Okay, now before we go in, I want you to know that ChatGPT actually is an intelligence software that helps you to make your thinking easier, so you don't need to think too hard. The beautiful thing about this app and this software is that it can suggest content for you, so you don't need to brainstorm too hard. Okay, so after you come to this place, you're going to click on try chat gpt. You're going to click on try chat gpt. If you have not signed up, this is what you're going to see. Okay, when you see this page, you click on sign up. It will give you all the process that you will use to sign up. Okay, and once your account is verified, you can now log in and start using. For me, I have signed up already, so I'm just going to click on log in. Okay, click on login, and then we wait for it to load. Okay, good. Right, I'm just going to use my email to log in, and I'll say continue. Okay, all right, maybe I have to use because I'm forgetting my password, so I have to use my Google account to just log in. Continue with Google. Okay, continue with Google, and you wait for it to load, and then I click on my mail and just wait for it to load. So this might take a little while, so let's just be patient with it while it loads. All right, this is the page. The page has finished loading, but we're going to just remove this one. We click on next, we remove it, we click on next, we remove it, and we say done. Okay, all right, so this is my ChatGPT dashboard. Okay, you can actually use this as a desktop format. Okay, if you want to turn it to desktop, you come to this top right and just click on this point, and then you scroll here and you click on desktop site. So it's going to once you click on desktop site, it's going to display this as the way you will see it on your laptop. Okay, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that, so I'll just click on this part just to remove this, and it has gone. Okay, now remember I said ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence software, so it can help you to think, so you don't have to brainstorm for too long. So for you to use this now, I want to create a content around how to start affiliate marketing business from scratch with no money. Okay, so but I don't know what to write. I don't know how to write it. I don't know how to come about my content, but I have the idea of what I want to write. Okay, I have the idea of the title, but I don't know how my content should look. Okay, so I'm just going to I'm just going to create something, give it an assignment so it can give me a very good idea of my content. Okay, so we'll come here and say, come to this place where you need to type and say suggest some content. Suggest content for, then you put quotation mark, how to start affiliate marketing business from scratch. Now I want to use this for my ebook. Okay, I want to use it for an ebook, so I don't want to think too hard, I don't want to brainstorm too hard, I just need something to make it easier for me. Okay, how to start, suggest content for how to start affiliate marketing business from, yes, let's change it to from scratch, with no money. Let's use with no money. Okay, with no money. Now let's see the ultimate power of this artificial intelligence app now. So once you click on this now, you click on this arrow, not the one that goes down, the one that points up at an angle. Okay, you click on it and let's see what it will bring for us. Click on it and then wait. It's loading. Guys, can you see the magic? Can you see the magic? Can you see the magic of ChatGPT? Can you see? What he's doing here now is giving us an outline of the kind of content, everything we need to write around that title. Guys, come on. This is power. This is power. This is powerful information for you guys. Can you see? And once it is done, it will give you a full stop. Can you see our content is ready already? See our content. Very, very powerful. You can use this for a blog. You can use this for an ebook. Okay, so all you need to do is to copy the content, select all. Okay, select all the content, select all the content, select all the content, and then you copy. Okay, once you have copied this, you can take it to your notepad and then you paste it there, and all you do is just to edit. Are you seeing the power of this software? Now let's just do another test and see, so you can see what we are saying. Now the next one we'll just do is to say suggest, give me 10 YouTube posts, YouTube video ideas for affiliate marketing business. All right, give me 10 YouTube video ideas. Let's say you're a content creator on YouTube, you create videos and you don't have an idea of what next to post, and you want to post something around affiliate marketing business. This is what you can use. Give me 10 YouTube video ideas for affiliate marketing business, and then you click on this. Just watch the magic again. Watch the magic that's coming. Okay, saying there was an error generating response. Okay, let's just regenerate again. Okay, regenerate again. I think there's a problem. An error occurred. If this issue persists, please contact us, and all of that and all of that. Okay, no problem. Let's come again. Let's cancel this. Let's try something else again. Okay, let's do it again. Give me, let's change the way we put it, 10 post ideas for affiliate marketing YouTube videos. Let's see what it's going to give us. 10 post ideas. Okay, I think there's a problem with my network, or probably the app is having an issue. So, but already you have seen what it is. You have seen how it works, right? You have seen how it works. Then post ideas for affiliate marketing content, okay, on YouTube. Let's see if this one will work. It's still having an issue. Okay, maybe I have to just refresh. I have to refresh the page and then we try it again. Yeah, sometimes the app can be having some, some downtime. So you need to understand. Okay, so we have a fresh page now. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Give me ideas of what to post on affiliate marketing on YouTube. Give me 10 ideas. Okay, let's use give me 10 ideas of what to post on affiliate marketing on YouTube. Let's see. Okay, I think we are really having a downtime on this app, but there's no problem. I believe that you've seen how it works. You have seen how it works. You can try this on your phone, and if you tried it, let me know. Come to the comment section and let me know what you feel about using this app and this software. I believe that you got value from this video, and I'm very excited that you stayed up to this point. If you got value from this video, just click a like and subscribe to this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when I put out new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, I'm so sorry, that's where we can stop for now, but I believe that you got value. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.